everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. Well, we're counting down to the 500th episode, and this week we have another great idea from my good friends at Play Creative in Lincoln, Nebraska. This was designed for client legacy retirement communities and printed by Barnhart Press. What I love about this piece is it's just a self-mailing closed double gatefold, but they added some creative die cuts that I think really make it exciting. So I thought you'd really like this one. So this one has a fold at the bottom, mailing panel on the back, and as I mentioned, this is a closed double gate. So a standard closed gate gates in once and then closes. This gates in twice, so kind of rolls in from either side, which is pretty neat. So this opens up like this. And you can immediately see that there's some cool die cuts going on, and they're creating some depth and a little bit of intrigue. And so I'll just open one side at a time, just so you can see here how the shapes kind of overlap with each other and create interesting negative spaces with the graphics. And there you go. And so when it's open, it's kind of sculptural, self-standing type of a piece, and it kind of draws the eye around. And really all this is a double closed gate, so gates in, and closes, and it just has creative die cutting on it. So this feels like it's about an 80-pound coated cover, die score, and they did about 2,500 of these. So you know, hand fold down, simple, creative. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Double closed gate with creative die cuts. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. If yours, please send me your fold to face and I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.